close their eyes, take another deep breath in. And what we're going to do is go right back to that beautiful white sand beach. Allow yourselves to focus on the beautiful sand beneath your feet. Feel the temperature of it. Feel the air. Breathe in. Slowly exhale. I want you to smell the air. Look at the ocean water right in front of you. Pay attention to how beautiful it looks, how blue it is. Look at the ocean waves. Look how calm they are. And I want you to breathe in and slowly exhale. And as you do that, I want you to match your breathing to the calmness of the waves. I want you to ask for God to stand behind you in this very moment. Feel His love, His peace, His gratefulness, His compassion. I want you to feel yourselves looking up toward the sun and feeling that beautiful sun's energy penetrate your soul in this very moment. Pay attention to how peaceful this feels in this very moment. Feel that sunlight connect with your heart. Your heart is your key to your soul. Breathe in, slowly exhale. Now in this moment, we're going to allow your soul to go to the spirit world. In 3, 2, 1. Feel your soul leave your vessel and feel it being lifted to the heavens above. You could feel your soul being guided by this beautiful light above the beach and above the clouds. Pay attention to how your soul feels in this very moment. Pay attention to how peaceful and happy you feel. And as soon as I count down to 1, you're going to see your loved ones in the spirit world. 3, 2, 1. Now that you see your loved one right in front of you, for a moment, take a deep breath, smell the air, pay attention to the ground beneath your feet, see what it feels like to be in heaven. Look around, see the colors and their world. Grab your loved one's hand and allow your loved one to take you on their journey. Take a deep breath. Slowly exhale. No matter where you're at in this moment on your journey, I want you to stop, look around. This is the moment where you can ask your loved one or loved ones for a symbol or a sign that you can look forward to seeing after today. Let that one symbol or sign appear right in front of you. Now that you have that symbol or sign, I want you to give thanks to your loved ones for allowing you to have this experience today. As I count down to 1, you're going to see your soul being connected with your physical body back on the beach. In 3, 2, 1. You're on the beach. Pay attention to how you feel at this very moment. And slowly become aware of your feet, your knees, your hips, most importantly, your heart, and open your eyes.